Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it. And right now Bitcoin is just consolidating sideways because right now it's a Saturday and we didn't get any movement today, but on Friday we did get a very volatile move. If you guys were trading that day, you might have noticed that we dumped on that stock market news of the job numbers coming hotter than expected, and then a huge reversal pumping up as high as 28,300, a 4% move. And now essentially we're just consolidating right at the highs once again. So this may be getting ready for a one more leg up towards the upside. And we'll just zoom in here to some shorter time frames so I could show you guys what's going on here. So I'll just delete some of these for the time being, and I'll just readjust the count for you all. So again, I still think that we are going into a B wave here, and the B wave is just extending higher. And at the moment, we don't have any divergences or anything like that because I just checked this not too long ago before this video, so nothing to worry there. But right now, what we could be setting up for is something like this, and that would essentially be one last wave up into a B wave top, and then after that we would start to come down into a C wave. But if Bitcoin even comes down even before then I already adjusted the count to something else which would fit it a little bit more better, which would be like something like a WXY, and then you would be coming down in a 1, 2, and then into a 3, although the 2 is extending right now. So that's why if we go a little bit higher, this will be invalidated and the bullish count will take place, and we'll go, we'll take it from there, right? And right now on the shorter time frames, where you got to give credit where credit is due, and the moving averages are shifting, right? On the smaller time frames like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, everything is looking very bullish, right? You got all the moving averages are flipped. But if you look on the larger time frames, you can see that the momentum is still starting to trend towards the downside. You see the moving averages are starting to turn and flip towards the negative here, which is not really what you want to see. You want to see like the price over the 200-day, and right now we are hammering. The bulls are trying to get this over the 200 and the 100-day moving average, but if they're unable to do that, then you're gonna start to get a dramatic fall in the price, right? And we'll just take a look at the commercial money where they're positioned, because we got another update from the CFT data, right? And then commercial money is still net short and overwhelmingly short. They did, however, remove 539 contracts from the short side and only added 19 to the long side, right? So if you look at commercial money, they're now still short 1,636 contracts. They have removed 539. They are only long 161. Now dumb money, retail money is still long 1,195 contracts, and they are short 776, right? So this is the bearish case, right? That Bitcoin is going to fall and head to my target to around 21K. But we'll explore the bullish scenario as well. And right now, we are making some nice trades. Obviously not AVAX. AVAX was definitely a stop out, but Hayden has still overall been killing it inside the Discord. If you want to get access to these trades, the link is in the description. You just need to pick a crypto membership. You don't have to pick the gold membership. The gold membership is for people who trade crypto and stocks, and you want to get access to my stock trades as well. And I post them all the time every week. We get some nice nice entries and nice exits, like Costco. We entered Costco sorry, I'm looking at this one, the new position, but we entered Costco on October 5th, and we exited Costco puts for a nice $1,100 profit with 48% in the bag. So again, that was a really nice gain, and we'll have to see how the market reacts next week, but I'll do that analysis on Hedgeline Trading. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin on Market Cypher. So again, we gotta give credit where credit is due, and right now we have green money flow, although it's not that much, right? It's a very small amount of green money flow. If this pump were to be more dramatic, I would have liked to seen a big spike in green money flow here and seen the price come up really nicely. But you can look at some larger time frames like the 2-day. All right, you still may be in this B wave top here. And if you look at the even larger time frames, you are shaping up to be very bullish right now. However, you still have red money flow, right? Which is not something that I like too much to see. but you do have a green dot on the weekly time frame. So potentially we may have a bottom in place, right? If this is the bullish scenario, and then you're going to come up into a more bullish pattern, something like oh, I don't know if it's the Elliott wave indicator has erased it. I think Elliott wave indicator has erased it for now, but essentially it would be something like this. So this would be essentially your your wave 2 bottom, and then you're starting a new count here, which would be a 1, 2, 3, and then you're coming up into a 4 and a 5, right? So that means this right here, all the way down here, was your B wave. This was your B wave top right here. I'll just readjust it very quickly here. I have too many. I opened too many indicators right now, so I gotta pull this back here. There we go. So this would have been your B wave top, and then you would have come down into a C wave. That would have been your C wave bottom. But I would like to see it to fit more better. It would be that this would be your B wave top, and then you're gonna come down in a lower C wave, like I'm expecting right now. But again, I'm getting a lot of flack for that now because the price is going up. But again, this remains my scenario that I think will play out. But we'll take it day by day, and we'll take it, you know, as it goes. Let's take a look at Wave Edge. Let's see if Wave Edge has any new signals here on the daily time frame. I'm on the CB futures, and what I want to do is get on the Bitcoin chart. So on right here, the Bitcoin chart for Bitstamp, nothing, no new signals here. You did get a red cross on Coinbase, but no other exchange signaled that I like to track. That has decent volume like Bybit, Binance, and Bitstamp. I didn't see anything there. If we take a look at some shorter time frames, we did get a couple green crosses down here. So this was actually a bullish, very nice bullish signal. So actually you did get some upside after that. And on the 1 hour time frame, you're not getting too many signals here. You do have a 1 hour green cross, but remember it's the weekend. You have very low volume, not too many people trading. And I don't trade on the weekends personally because, you know, sometimes it can get very volatile and you can just see some crazy whipsaw action, and you may be stopped out of your positions very easily. All right, so overall, that's the bullish and bearish case for Bitcoin. I'm leaning more towards the bearish case, but again, you can have your own opinions. You don't have to follow what I'm doing, and you know go along with what I'm doing either. But overall, I think this may play out. I know it seems very unlikely now with the Bitcoin price coming up and up and up, and everyone getting very bullish. But sometimes when everyone's leaning on one side of the boat, you want to get on the other side of the boat. All right? Anyways, that's it for now. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful weekend. Love you all. Peace.